Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to deposit money on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal application. Or of course, as you can see, as I did, go to paypal.com and use the web. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet activity and help. We have the send and request and a lot of other options here that we can go and choose from, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see how you can deposit money on PayPal. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your wallet. So in the upper tab, we have the home, send, wallet activity and help. You just need to go and click on the middle option or the third option, which is wallet. When you click on there, you just need to log in if you need to log in again. And then when you're on your wallet, of course, you need to firstly go and link a card or bank. Click on the link a card or bank button. And of course, choose if you want to link a card or bank, whichever you of course want. Then choose add money from your bank or debit card to enter the amount and choose either in seconds with tap or in 3 to 5 days with your bank. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.